In Chapter 5, Section 3, after you have read the objectives, you can go ahead and do the problems. Let's look at problem number 1. Julia deposits $75 at the end of each quarter for 20 years into an account paying 2.8% annual interest compounded quarterly. How much is in the account after 20 years? So you can use the formula, which is in the front, or you can use the calculator. And I am going to use the calculator. Makes it much easier. So again, you're going to press Apps, Finance, TVM Solver, and let's enter all the numbers here. So N is the time, and the time here is 20 years. So it's 20 times 4, because you have 4 payments per year. I is the interest rate, which is 2.8. PV is the present value, which you have none. Payment is the $75 you are depositing every quarter. Future value is what you are solving. P/Y is 4, which is 4 payments. You're paying every quarter, so that's 4. And C/Y is 4 because it's compounded quarterly. So now you're going to go to future value and hit alpha enter, and that is your future value, $8,006.36. And again, that is all the information. Now for letter B, how much did Julia actually contribute to the account? So how much did she contribute to the account? Let's see how much she actually invested. Well, the payment is $75. She paid every quarter times 80 payments. So 75 times 80 is equal to $6,000. That's how much she actually contributed to the account. And how much interest did the account earn in 20 years? So to find out how much interest, you're taking the future value, which it was $8,006, minus the $6,000 that you just solved. So $8,006 minus $6,000 is equal to $2,006 is the interest that she paid. Moving on to number 2. Mr. and Mrs. Lopez have a new son and decide to start an account, a sinking fund for his college education. They decide to put $100 into the account each month. The account pays 5% annual interest, compounded monthly. They start this account when he is 2. How much will be in the account when the child is 18 years old? So again, getting our calculator, Apps, Finance, TVM Solver. So N is the time, which the time is 16. He started at 2, and they withdrew the money at 18. So you've got 16 times compounded monthly, 16 times 12. I is your interest, which is 5% interest. Present value, there is none. Payment, they're depositing $100 each month. Future value is your unknown. P/Y is 12, which is 12 payments per year, and compounding periods per year is also 12. So P/Y and C/Y are both the same, which are 12. Now here solving for future value, alpha enter, and this is the amount that he will get after the 16 years. So future value is $29,324.28. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Mr. and Mrs. Lopez then have a daughter and start an account for her when she is born. They decide to put $120 into the account each month. Her account pays 4.5% compounded monthly. How much will be in the account when she is 18 years old? So again, apps, finance, TVM solver. So N is your time. So it's 18 again times 12 payments per year. I is your interest rate at 4.5%. Present value, there's none. Payment, she's putting in $120 each month. Future value, we're solving. P/Y and C/Y are the same, 12. And solving for future value, alpha enter. And that is the future value that she will get after 18 years. So future value is $39,824.16. Number 4. In order to have $40,000 into the account for their child's college education, how much would a couple need to deposit into a sinking fund each quarter if the account pays 4% annual interest rate compounded quarterly? The couple begins saving when the child is 5 and will begin college when he is 18. So here, apps, finance, TVM solver. Here the time is 18 minus 5 is 13 years. So we have 13 years times compounded quarterly, which is 4. Interest rate is 4%. So 4% is your interest. PV, there is no present value. Payment, we're solving for the payment. And future value is 40,000. That's what he would like to have. 40,000 future value. P/Y is 4, which is 4 payments per year, and C/Y is also 4. Going up to payment, alpha enter, and this is your payment of $590.24. That's what he has to pay every quarter in order to receive $40,000 when she is 18. And that completes Section 3, Chapter 5.